Oh, man. I'm out here looking like YOFONZZ.
Why?
Man, I can't be living life like this. I can't live life like this, alright? So before I tell you guys who YOFONZZ actually is...
So one thing you should know about me.
I woof like a gorilla. Let me just get dressed. Wait a minute, alright? Let me just get my shirt on. That's more like it. That's more like it. Now let me tell you how I met Fonz in the first place, alright? I was on a trip to go to Florida to just visit the whole Tomb 45 squad.
Betting Chris Baccio, okay.
It's going down.
You gonna come y'all first? Where,
this is epic! Nobody has fast feed?
Nobody has fast feed. Yo.
Try something different, bro.
No.
Try something different.
Hey,
the fact remains.
Jared, this is
in Florida,
Jared.
fast feed ain't popular at all.
For real?
Jared,
this is right here? Different clipper challenge. Oh my god! Oh, okay, does it have the...
no,
magnetic
ceramic, nope.
Is the lever loose? I was originally coming down there to meet Chris Baccio and the whole team, and Fonz just happened to be Chris Baccio's cameraman. And you know, I guess he edited a couple of videos here and there, you know. So as I was down there, it was this one part where I seen Fonz was editing. I think he asked me a question about what would I do, what would... Hey, come check this out. Whatever it was, I went over there and checked his little video out. Not to say that your video was little, but I'm just saying you were starting at the time, so don't sit here and judge me, okay? It was little! But nevertheless, you guys, I really thought it was dope, and I just wanted to encourage him to keep going.
So just do it!
And to keep learning new things as far as editing and software and just switching it up in general.
Make your dreams come true!
And from there, we just kept in contact. Now let's fast forward. Fast forward, Fonz wanted to get waves, alright? So he started building his platform on Instagram first. He got a crazy bug because he was woofing ridiculously. And granted, you know what I mean? Who else better to come to than 360 to get your hair cut? So we ended up doing this video right here. I found Fonz sleeping outside. Listen, we had a lot of fun making that video, okay? The chemistry was obviously there.
Hold on, Jeezy. You almost there, bro. You are almost there.
I'm trying to hold on.
This a triathlon right here?
I'm at the end of the road. The only time you see me tired is when I'm cutting hair. I wouldn't be this tired if Fonz didn't come in my chair. Maybe I'll forgive him. Maybe he'll try. Maybe he'll try to do something with his hair next time. See, he's woofed and he's woofed and he's woofed and he's woofed. Then he's woofed again and I'm like, God. And he's woofed one more time. I'm gonna slam down my liners and I'm just gonna yell, no, 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 though we've come. I just want him to be safe, you know? No! Oh my God! Jason! Jason! Call the ambulance. 911, okay? 911. Call the ambulance. But most of you guys don't even care about the story. Half of you guys are saying wave check, Jeezy.
Wave check! Let me see. Let me see what you're working with. Hey, back the hard.
Listen, okay? I'm unwave checkable. But for the sake of the video, let's check.
HustleDreamProduction.
Now, as far as my front line goes, I'm gonna keep it real honest. I don't know what's going on. What is this?
What is that?
What is this?
Oh, what is that?
Let me try to clean this up real quick. Hold on, you guys. This is unacceptable. I just need a lineup. Can anybody cut my hair? Can anybody cut my hair? I'm getting tired of cutting my own hair. Can anybody cut my hair? Let me show you guys how bad I'm in need of a haircut. Let me show you the roundabout. Damn! This is unacceptable. I need a haircut bad. I'm actually wolfing. Let me go to my brush session station so I can show you guys. Alright, you guys, listen. We're at my new workstation. This is where I'm gonna do most of my brush sessions. I got it hooked up pretty nice, but let me show you guys what I'm actually working with. Right now, I gotta use the hard brush because it's so hard to brush my hair with a soft or a medium brush because I need the strong bristles to get down to my scalp. So right now, I'm currently only using hard brushes. Let me do a quick peel back for you guys. Do a quick... It's not... I mean, I'm woofing. You can obviously tell I'm woofing. There's no doubt that I'm woofing. I'm pretty long. I am pretty long. But you guys, you know what? One of my frustrations is I can't stand woofing. Woofing is so annoying, so irritating. Why do I have this patch of hair all on my head so thick, like I'm growing an afro? The frustrations of woofing in itself, you have to continuously, day by day, try to get your hair to lay down, and it's so hard. When it comes to washing your hair, it's difficult because you don't know whether or not you're using the right soap. Is your hair gonna even lay down after you wash your hair? What type of grease do I use while I woof? What methods is gonna work for my hair type? How long do I have to go? See, my barber don't understand that I can't cut the top and I just want to taper. The frustration of that alone kills me. When I do woof, am I supposed to look cleaned up?
Yeah.
What type of taper do I get? What type of fade? What haircut do I get? If you're wondering, I'ma look clean. You know what I mean? I may be looking rough right now. But when I woof, okay, I'ma look clean. Believe that. And last but not least, when I cut my hair down, what number do I cut my hair to? The frustrations of woofing. That's why I hate woofing. So I don't think I can do it, you guys. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think I can do it. It's just too much work.
Bro, stop that complaining, man.
Who said that?
Stop that complaining. It's me.
Who said
I'm
that?
watching you on YouTube. It's me. I'm one of your subscribers. Yeah. Stop all that complaining. That's all I'm hearing
Okay.
from you nowadays.
Keep talking. I
I
mean,
don't keep talking. That's all I hear from you nowadays. Come on, man. I thought you was the one.
you right.
I thought you was 360 Jeezy. You sit up here and you talking, you complain.
Okay.
Man, I thought you was talking
you
all
just gonna
that
keep
hard
talking.
work, dedication, motivation, consistency, the will to keep going and the going gets tough. All that nonsense. What's up with that? Whatever happened to
We
that?
all know that. We all know that.
Okay then,
But
well do
don't
what
know
you
how it
say.
feels when
Do what
in
you
it.
say then. And stop all that complaining.
You ain't got all the answers. You just ain't got all the answers. Stop acting like you got the answers.
What you mean, man? That's why I'm
You don't
watching
know
you.
what it's like to wolf. You don't know what it's like.
Yeah, but I'm sitting here trying to look at you to see how to do it, man. That's why I'm watching you, cause I don't know. What you mean, man? Get your stuff together.
I guess.
Stop
I hear
with
you
all
though.
that complaining, man.
I hear you.
Don't nobody want to hear that when they watching 360 Jeezy. Come on, man. That's why I don't even like watching you no more, man. Cause all you do is straight up complain. All you do. I'm about to go over to YOFONZZ and start watching his channel because at least,
Are you done?
At least for the bare minimum,
Are you
minimum,
done?
he'll go out and do something different. Man, I can't stand you. You listen, I'm hitting the unsubscribe button. Listen, everybody go over to YOFONZZ and watch YOFONZZ's video. Alright? We're going on a wolf journey. We going on a wolf journey, and this is just how it is, alright? Listen, straight up, I ain't playing no more games. We going until March. You know what I mean? January, February, March. You know what I mean? I'm tired of this.
Check it out, you guys. Listen, me and YOFONZZ is coming with some heat for the wave game, alright? Some straight up fire for the wave game, alright? So make sure y'all go and follow YOFONZZ. We are gonna be doing these challenges weekly about woofing, alright? We going on a wolf journey. And as you can see, I'm already woofing. So the wolf till March, it's gonna be a little hectic on your boy. It's gonna be a little tough. But I'm pretty sure you guys is definitely gonna love what we about to do because we about to change the whole game. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you go follow YOFONZZ. His link will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360, and my Instagram, you already know, 360 Jeezy. And I'm out. Peace.
Listen to me, Jeezy. You almost slapped me, Jeezy.
I know, it's Hold on. He wants to play. Is he still here? Yes. Sorry.
Damn.
Did it? I didn't even get it.
Jeezy.
That hurt? Time. I'm done. I'm done playing games with you, Fonz. I'm done playing games with you.
So long, my friend. So long. It was nice sharing those meals with you. You were my flavor saver.